Here we'll use a protractor to measure an angle. To use a protractor, we line up the vertex of the angle, which is this point here, with, on the protractor, there is a vertical line and a horizontal line, and my protractor has a little circle showing where those intersect. The horizontal line across the bottom of the protractor should be lined up with one side of the angle. When I line that up, it actually intersects two numbers, 0 and 180. I'm going to follow the scale that has the 0 on it, which is the inner scale for here. I follow the 0 scale up. It goes 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on until I reach the other side of the angle. And we can see that the other side of the angle goes through where the protractor says 90. So the measure of the angle is then 90 degrees.